Change.
Wait. Now change the units.
One unit, two unit, three unit, four unit, five unit, six unit, 7 unit, 8 unit, 9 unit, 10 unit.
10 of unit makes
110. One unit, two unit, three unit, four unit, 5 unit.
Okay.
Which 10 here?
Now change 10.
I change 100.
Okay.
10, 2, 10, 3, 10, 2, 10, 5, 10, 6, 10, 7, 10, 8, 10, 9, 10, 10, 10,
10 of 10 makes
100. 110, 10, 10.
okay, 3 10. Come Samriddhi.
3 tens.
Change 100.
I
Yes,
did
yes.
3,000.
Yeah.
100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000.
10 of 100 makes 800.
100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000.
10 of 100 makes 1.
1,000.
We'll keep that. Now how many more hundreds we have?
100, 200.
You can do
200. I did.
Now Priyash, change the thousands.
1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000.
Go get 8,000.
Five.
So 3
Five.
small values merged together to get
One big number. One big answer.
yes. This is addition.
8 units. It's 3 times.
Tell from 1,000. 8,000.
8,200.